When you think of the dairy industry, most people are thinking farms and cows and green pastures, and the actual manufacturing plants, the factories, often get forgotten about. The factories are probably the most interesting part of the whole process for me. There's lots of machinery, lots of equipment, lots of technology, really good space to get involved and make a difference. My name is Matthew Dwyer. I am the Manufacturing Solutions Architect for Bega Group. I started at Bega probably 6 years ago at the Koroit factory as a continuous improvement engineer. Over the years, I've been fortunate enough to run 3 internship programs through Monash University's MITI program, sponsored by the Gardiner Foundation. We started with just 2 interns testing the waters. Next project we had 3, and the last project we had 4, leading to a great success where we had a graduate position open up and we were able to hire one of our top performing intern students, Harshini.
During my internship, I got to explore a lot more than just the manufacturing side. I also got a chance to visit the farms. One was like a more traditional one, and another farm was fully automated, entirely robotic. The cows were even wearing like trackers, which is like Apple Watches for them. So it was really interesting to see that the farmers are so data-driven and so passionate about how the cows' health and how much they care about their cows.
I believe these internship programs are vital to the future of not only the dairy industry but manufacturing across the board. Digital technology is making huge changes in leaps and bounds, from machine learning to AI we're talking about now. Bringing new experiences, new training from these university students is what's going to set us up for the future.